Bro, have you seen this? A project claiming your Wi-Fi router is now a camera that can see through walls? It's called RuView Pen on GitHub with over 73,000 stars. People are calling it the next big thing in tech. The claim? It can track people, movement, even breathing and heart rate through walls in the dark, no cameras needed.
Now here's the truth why. Wi-Fi sensing is real science. MIT proved you can see through walls with Wi-Fi years ago.
Researchers even built DensePose from Wi-Fi. Why? Estimating body poses just from radio signals. Crazy, right? Bu2 bhaaf. Calling it a camera is misleading. It's not pixels. It's radar-like signal inference. Big difference.
What about that $8 ESP32 sensor claim? Partly true hai, but full pose tracking needs special CSI hardware, not just any router. RuView's own docs admitted path. Single device setups have limited accuracy for pose and vital signs. It's beta software. Even the 3D view feature, it actually combines a camera plus Wi-Fi data, though not Wi-Fi alone like the hype suggests.
Search and rescue use case? Plausible pie, but still lab tested, not proven in real disaster zones yet. Privacy angle is real too, but this tech can sense people without any visible camera. Powerful, but needs proper safeguards. Thanks for watching, guys. If this helped you, smash that subscribe button. More fact checks coming your way.